Hey, Mike Hobbs here with a quick coaching tip. Now, I've actually got an email, and a lot of times I'll get emails or I'll do coaching with my team members, and this is a lot of the times how I get the content for my videos. And this is an email from a gentleman that is a little bit discouraged. He was having some issues, some tech issues, some tech problems, and he kept listing everything that was going wrong and then just ask for my help. So when someone asks for my help, I give them my coaching, and I actually reply back, and if I have time, I'll reply back, or my assistant, and I give them some pointers. So what I did is I told them to come to my daily mastermind and just start following the assignments, and then also to go through my fast start coaching video and watch that again, and just pretty much just click the reset button and just delete all problems in the past, and just click the reset button and just start over, follow the action assignments, get on my fast start call or fast start video, and then just start taking action there. And that was my advice back to him from his big long email. And then I get a reply back, I can't believe that everybody's ignoring the problems, or ignoring the tech issues, or ignoring things, and not really, answering my issues, or whatnot, and it was kind of crazy, his reply back, because I wanna tell you, if you're ever one of those people that are seeking advice from leaders, or seeking, help from your upline, and they tell you to do a certain thing, you got to do it. I mean, the only way that they're ever going to reply back or coach you or want to spend time with you, because you know what? When I saw that reply back, I literally just clicked archive. I didn't even reply back. I'm done. It's one of those things. It's like you tell someone something, or you give them some advice, and they don't take it, or they don't even acknowledge that you gave it to them, and they just keep on complaining, keep on complaining, keep on complaining. Those are the people we don't want to work with. I mean, unfortunately. If just think about that. If you came to me for advice and I told you exactly what you should do, would you be coachable, or would you just completely ignore it? The people that said they would be coachable, the people that are coachable in a home-based business, they're going to make the most amount of money. And the people that are coachable on my team, you want to know what? I reply back to them. I work with them. They're the people I love to help. Those are the people that I spend time with. They're the people that when they set up a coaching call with me, I'll actually take the coaching call. The people that complain, constantly give me support, tech issues. Now, that's important. Technical issues, you got to get those fixed. But the things that he was talking about didn't even apply to anything. He could have clicked the reset button, and took my coaching and actually made money. I bet he could have made money yesterday, because one of the things I told him to do yesterday was an actual money-making activity that he could have made money yesterday. So I just want you to ask yourself, are you coachable? Are you coachable? So let's find out right now. Okay, I want you to do, this is a quick assignment, all right? I want you to go to your Facebook right now. Just go to your Facebook right now and say something like, I'm ready to help 5 people make a fortune on the internet. And that's it. Don't put a link, don't do anything. Just write your status update on your own wall. I'm ready to help 5 people make a fortune on the internet, and then just push post and just see what happens. If people reply back, start up a conversation with them and just ask about their business, what they're doing for marketing, and then see if you can give them a solution. That's all. So write that right now. Go to Facebook right now. I'm ready to help 5 people make a fortune on the internet, and just see what happens. If no one replies, not a big deal. If you do get some replies, private message them and start a conversation with them. If you're truly coachable and you want to make money in this industry, you'll follow leaders' directions. When someone coaches you or tells you a marketing tip, you'll take massive action on it and actually do it. And that's how you bring prosperity to your life. So go do the assignment right now, and then when you're done with the assignment, let me know below that you did it, so that I know that you're an action taker. I know that you're a person that is coachable, because those are the people I like to work with. Okay, so go post that. I'm ready to help 5 people make a fortune on the internet. Let me know below when you have done that. And then if you get any results from it, also come back to this post and let me know as well. So I hope you appreciate this value and this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.